Welcome back to Wheels of Karma. Today I'm continuing my series on waterproof backpacks, looking at 3 different types of bag closures, as well as how to clean your bag and how to fit it to your back nice and securely. The 3 bags I'm going to look at closure for are the Polar Outdoors roll top, an Ortlieb cycle commuting pannier, and the Craft Cadence OPX5 waterproof. The first bag I'm going to look at is the Polar Outdoors Stuff roll top rucksack. This bag has a really simple closure, one buckle, and you roll the top open. So it's very thin material. Simply roll the top and clip. The issue with this is that if the bag's not full, it can just come loose and undone. So it's okay for a simple, nice lightweight rucksack. The next bag we're going to look at the closure on is an Ortlieb cycle commuting pannier. So this one uses hooks at either side, which there are many ways to close it, but I find this the best. You clip these up first and then roll down, and it puts the final clasp right in the right place. Again, if these aren't full, they can have a tendency to come loose. Lastly, we have the Craft Cadence OPX5. Opening and closing the Craft Cadence, it's very simple. You loosen off the side straps and drop them over the top of the roll. Unrolling, and you're in. This backpack is made of very thick PVC, so it can take some time to get this nicely worn in enough that it rolls very tightly. You see the Velcro matches both sides, over with the straps, and pull them tight. And that's completely waterproof, a nice solid closure. Works whether the bag is empty or full. Cleaning your backpack regularly is one of the best ways to make sure it functions perfectly in the long term. For nylon bags, such as the Ortlieb, or textured bags like the Polar Outdoors, the best way to clean them is with a small brush, a toothbrush, a sponge, and some soapy water. For PVC bags like the Craft Cadence, a simple wipe down with some baby wipes or the sponge is enough. I wouldn't suggest soaking the bag completely as they take a long time to dry and it can degrade some of the threads inside. When using zips on any of these bags, it's a good idea to pull firmly but not to yank at the zips. A nice firm pull in either direction, tuck it into the little safety slot. First step of wearing a backpack like this is to loosen all the straps. So loosening the waist straps, the shoulder straps, and the chest strap. Now we can look at fitting. So first, tighten your waist strap. It should be nice and tight on your hips. Second, tighten your shoulder straps. You want this to just start taking the weight of the backpack, but not to compress it on your back. Third, tighten the all-important chest strap. Tighten this until it takes some of the weight off of the external areas of your shoulders. Last thing is to just loosen ever so slightly the shoulder straps. This allows the backpack to sit down on your hips and take some of the weight again off of your shoulders. So now we have a rucksack which is nicely fitted, not too much weight on my shoulders so we won't have problems there, supported by the chest strap, and most of the weight is sitting on my hips. That's everything for this episode. Goodbye from Wheels of Karma. Thanks for watching.